In this video, I'll walk you through a full overview of Crayo, from setting up your account, choosing the pricing plan that fits your needs, all the way to exploring every major feature it offers. Whether you're curious about creating AI videos, generating voiceovers, or tapping into tools like AI vocal remover or fake text videos, this guide will cover everything you need to know. So if you've been thinking about giving Crayo a try, this should help you decide if it's the right tool for your content workflow. Alright, so first thing that you would need to do is to go into the website of Crayo AI using the link in the description. And once you're here, you want to now click here on Try Crayo Now if you don't have an account yet. Or if you want to log in, you could also click there, and then you can just click here and log in. But if you don't have an account, just proceed into providing your name, email, or even simpler and easier, you can just log in with your Google account. And then once you're done, you should now be signed in and in your Crayo dashboard. So in here, the first thing that I suggest for you to do is to go for a paid plan right here in Crayo. So you want to click here on upgrade. Now, in here is that you would have these plans. Paid plans in Crayo is essential in order for you to start using Crayo in real projects, because if you are just on the free plan, then you wouldn't be able to use it. So the free plan is only for testing purposes, just to see what Crayo AI can do for you. And by the way, if you'd want to use or purchase one of these plans, then I suggest using the link in the description below. It's an affiliate link and it would help us support this channel. It's completely optional, and in return, you would be able to get exclusive deals and bonuses that would be available. All right, so now let's discuss the plan. So first is Hobby. So for the hobby plan, this is great if you are new to AI content creation or just testing things out. You get up to 50 AI generated videos per month, which is more than enough for light weekly content or experimenting with different formats. You also get 40 minutes of total export time, 30 minutes of AI generated voiceovers, and 100 AI generated images, which you can use for thumbnails, backgrounds, or B-rolls. And now next is that we have the Clipper plan. This is built for more consistent creators. It gives you 150 AI videos per month, and you get 2 full hours of export, 120 minutes of voiceover, and 300 AI images. The higher limits here are perfect if you are running multiple content series, managing a niche channel, or posting daily. You also get more flexibility in production without worrying about hitting a cap too soon. And lastly, we have the Pro plan. So this is made for high output creators or small teams. You get 250 AI videos per month, 3 hours of export, 180 voiceover minutes, and 500 AI images generations. This is your go-to if you are running multiple faceless YouTube channels, handling client projects, or maybe posting content at scale. So all plans come with access to Crayo's core tools, including the scripted video generation, automated visuals, voiceover, and image creation. So no matter where you are in your current content journey, there's a plan for you that would give you room to grow. Now, if you would want to get a discount on the monthly price, then the only way for you to do that is you can go here into yearly save, which you could get 30% off. So instead of $19 per month in here, you would get $13 per month instead if you go for annual or yearly billing. You could also check out our link in order for you to get a discount. Alright, so by now you should have an idea already on what plan fits you best. But if you're still unsure, then stay tuned as I will be explaining the features on Crayo now so that you would have an idea if it's really worth it for you. So let's go back in here into the dashboard. So go here into the home section where you'd be able to see all the features that Crayo offers. So we'll be discussing each one of this right here. So first, here is that we have the AI vocal remover. This tool removes vocal from any song or audio file, leaving just the background music. It's perfect for creators who want to repurpose tracks as clean instrumentals. Great for karaoke edits, voiceover layering, or background use in content. So just simply upload the audio file in here of the song that you would want to remove the vocal in. And just click here on remove vocals, and then you should now be able to see that output right here, and then download and use it. So that's it. And yeah, it's a very simple tool right here, and it's also very effective. Next is that we have the split screen video. So in here, you can place two videos side by side to compare footage or tell parallel stories. It's completely used for reactions, before and after shots, or showcasing two perspectives at once. Crayo makes the process simple without needing external editing software. So as what's used an example in here is that basically you can put one of your main contents in here, and then you can put an ASMR video footage or whatever it is that you think would be interesting and that would keep the audience hooked, even if they are not listening or watching to the main one right here and they are just listening to the audio. That is also a very effective strategy in maximizing engagement on your content. So in here, all you have to do is to upload your video in here, and then you want to select the background on the second step. So as you can see right here, you could select the ASMR video to keep your viewers engaged. And then you could select the subtitles that you would want to use for your video. So yeah, it's very simple, very easy, and very effective. Next is that we have the Reddit story video. So Crayo can automatically turn Reddit posts into narrated videos with visual elements and voiceovers. It formats the text for readability and adds dynamic scenes based on the content, perfect for faceless YouTube or TikTok storytelling channels. So if you're into AI videos, then you have probably come across one of these contents right here, especially in TikTok. So when you click here and get started, you would be able to provide a script, and then you could go for your introduction card right here. You can expand that, and then you'd be able to edit your Reddit, what do you call this? Reddit post right there, or snippet. And yeah, basically you can do it right here, and then you'd be able to see the preview. So for example, I'm going to go for the name. As you can see, you can create a custom Reddit post right here as if you have screenshotted this, and just upload all your contents right here to be used in the post. After that, go for the script right here for the voice over. And then next is that you could go for the style for the text, and then the video right here for the ASMR background so that you'd be able to keep the viewers hooked. So this basically brain rot content. And then next is the audio. So you can select the voice in here and then use the 11 Labs settings right here. So I think this is from 11 Labs. I'm not sure, but yeah, I think it is because of the same settings right here. So you can see there are a lot of choices right here to choose from in terms of voice. So next is that we have generate voiceovers. So this feature turns your text into high quality AI voiceovers in a few clicks. You can choose different voices, tones, and accents to match your video's mood. No need to record your own voice. It's fast and sounds natural. So yeah, it's basically a really simple tool. All you have to do is select the voice in here. For example, is Adam. I'm gonna select that here and click on done, and then write out your title in here and then type your script. After that, click on generate AI voice, and then you should now be able to generate it right here really quickly. So yeah, it's a simple tool. Next is we have the streamer video. So this stimulates a live stream setup with webcam frames, chat overlays, and dynamic layouts. Ideal if you'd want to create gaming, reaction, or tutorial content in streamer-like format. No need for OBS or actual streaming gear. It's fully AI driven. So all you have to do here is just provide the clip or clip file, or you could just provide a link right here of that clip, and then AI will handle the rest. And then you can go here into the next step, which is the title. So you can choose the title style that you would want to use. So yeah, and then once you're done, click here on generate. That's it. So it's really simple. All the tools here are really simple and easy to use, and they are also very effective. Now, next is the AI Brainstormer. So, in here, this helps you come up with video ideas, titles, hooks, or even content outlines. Just describe your niche or goal, and it generates usable suggestions instantly. It's a great productivity boost when you're feeling stuck or low on creative energy. So, you can click here and get started. Now, in here is that you can generate ideas for a niche to start a page on. So just a very generic idea right here that you would want. So basically your niche that you would want to create a topic in here, or you would like to brainstorm. And then you want to select a tone for your ideas. So are you trying to create some mystery in the audience, or are you trying to scare them? Or are you trying to make them laugh, and so on right there? So you want to make sure that you select the tone also correctly. And then the target all gens right here. So you can specify the age, or you can specify the gender. For example, I'm gonna go for um, teen age girls right there, and adult women, maybe something like that. And next is the video type, is that you can go for story video, ChatGPT video, or split screen. So depending on the video type or video style that you'd want to create, you could also incorporate that right here so that the AI would be able to generate ideas that would be more appropriate and accurate to what you need. And then click on generate ideas, and then it should appear right here on the right side. And next is that we have the BG audio remover, or background audio remover. So this one right here is that it would now clean up messy recordings by removing unwanted background noise like fan sounds, echoes, or chatter. It's super helpful for improving voiceovers or podcast audio. The tool works automatically and gives you clearer, more professional audio. So it's a really simple tool. All you have to do is just upload a file in here, the audio file, click on remove background audio, and then that's it. You should now see your polished background audio removed from the main audio itself right here. And next is that we have the fake text video. So this creates videos that mimic real text conversation with animated chat bubbles. You can script fake messages for storytelling, humor, or dramatic content. And it's very popular for skit style content on TikTok and Instagram. So I guess if you have been using AI for a while, or you've been into AI content, you should have come across one of this content at least once, especially on AI. I mean, on TikTok or Instagram, because they are really popular. And from here, you can do exactly that without needing any editing skills. So in here, you could go for the text script. So you could upload a profile picture for the recipient right here of your text. And then you could also edit the name right here, as you could see. And then you could also add a receiver right here. So you could go for the text message hi, and then add a sender right here. So this is how you'd be able to type out your text. And basically, you could also delete, you could also time the delay right here on when they would appear on the video. And then you could go for the alignment, content, and so on. So yeah, you have everything you need right here. You could also go for sample data just to see a sample of what this could do. And then you could also paste right here if you'd want to. So you can paste your script if you're using a script from ChatGPT. And then you could also swap if you'd want. And then you could see the theme in here. So you could go for Snapchat themes right here. This is for iMessage, and I think this one is for Instagram. And next is that we have the video. So if you'd like to incorporate a brain rot video, then this is perfect for you. You can choose among this library of videos from Crayo. And lastly is that we have the audio. So again, the voice over audio right here from 11 Labs. You can use this audio and then the settings right here on how you would like the voice to sound. So that's it. And then lastly is that we have some features right here. So these are really cool features. So you have the YouTube video downloader, which you can use to easily download YouTube videos. So you don't need to go for the sketchy links on Google when you search for YouTube video downloader. You can safely download it here in Crayo. And next is that we have the Create ChatGPT video. So this turns AI conversations into visual videos with styled UI elements that look like real chats. You can customize the dialogue and have Cryo animate it for you. So this is also a really great way for you to create tutorial or discussion content where you want a unique visual format. Next is that we can also generate AI images here in Creo. So they have a built-in AI image generator, which are useful for B-roll, thumbnails, or creative visual assets that match your story. So yeah, those are the main features here in Creo. So now we'll just be discussing these other buttons in here, which might be essential for you to effectively use Creo. So first here in the My Projects, this is where you'd be able to see all the projects that you are working on here in Creo. So if you'd ever want to jump right back into the project, start working back into it again, then you can just click here on that project. Next is that we have the export. So this is where you'd be able to see all the exports, all the files that you have finished here in Creo. And next is that we have the My Assets. So this is where you'd be able to see all the assets that you have used on your projects, like voiceovers, remove vocals, remove background audio, images, and uploads. So yeah, this is it on everything you need to know in Creo so that you'd be able to start using it effectively and efficiently. So I hope this video has been helpful to you, and don't forget that we have an affiliate link in the description if you'd like to support our channel. And also, you might be getting an exclusive deal and bonus if you use that link, so make sure to check it out. So that's it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.